LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I'm going to show you how we can find an audience to pinpoint for direct outreach using LinkedIn tools. So the first thing I did was I actually clicked on the advanced search to get to this screen. And I did a first search now for the word sewing. I chose people in the United States and I came up with 98,000 people. So the next thing I want to do is I want to limit the audience. So I want to start with apparel and fashion. And now I'm going to get to 30,000, so I'm reducing it. I just want people who own the companies. I'm down to 7,000. If I want to add a keyword in here to filter it even further, we're going to try the word textiles right here. And we're going to get it even, hit enter. And we're down to 3,800 people. And then if I want to reduce it even further, I use what's called a Boolean search, where I say I don't want anyone who's retired or a student, and I'm down to 3,400 people. And now I've got an audience, and if you start going through them, you can see for this profile that I'm searching in, I have a third-degree connection to this person, I have a second-degree connection to this woman, and you'll see these look like the type of people I would want to contact if I sell sewing machines, which one of my clients actually does. So Cloth Foundry, Design Quadrant, these look like fashion consultant, Lane 7 Apparel. This is the audience that I want to reach. So now I've got 3,400 people, and I can filter it even further if I want to talk about first degree or second degree connections. I can exclude people that work for Nike, for example. I can say, hey, I only want companies of a specific headcount. And I can even go further by looking for functions within the organization and say, hey, I just want to deal with people that are in operations, and now I'm down to 184 people. So that's the first video of how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to pinpoint a market.